Hey there, health enthusiasts. Have you ever thought about oiling your belly button? Yep, you heard that right. Today I'm going to share the amazing benefits of this ancient practice. But first, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to stay updated with all our health tips. So why should you oil your belly button? Let's dive in. First, grab your favorite oil. Coconut oil, sesame oil, or even almond oil works wonders. Now, just a few drops onto your finger and gently massage it into your belly button. Simple, right? Now, let's talk benefits. Did you know that oiling your belly button can improve digestion? The belly button is like a superhighway of nerves and veins connected to various organs. Massaging it helps stimulate your digestive system and can even alleviate bloating and constipation. Amazing, isn't it? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool tips. Next up, stress reduction. Life can get super hectic, but a quick belly button oil massage can help calm your nerves. The gentle pressure and soothing oil can lower cortisol levels, which is your body's main stress hormone. It's like a mini spa session right at home. If you're enjoying this video, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Another fantastic benefit is skin hydration. The skin around your navel is often neglected, but it can get dry and flaky too. Oiling it keeps the area moisturized and soft. Plus, the oil gets absorbed and nourishes your skin from the inside out. Your whole body will thank you. Like, share, and subscribe to help us spread the word on belly button oiling. Lastly, it can boost your metabolism. Regularly oiling your belly button can enhance blood circulation and promote better nutrient absorption. This keeps your metabolism in check and helps maintain a healthy weight. Who knew such a small routine could have such a big impact? So, there you have it. Improved digestion, reduced stress, hydrated skin, and a boosted metabolism, all from oiling your belly button. It's easy, it's natural, and it's incredibly beneficial. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome health tips. Thanks for watching and happy oiling.